If the battery on your Samsung Galaxy S26 doesn't want to charge to 100%, if it's stuck at 80% for example, in order to solve this issue, we need to open the settings. Now over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and go to battery settings. Once you open battery settings, we're gonna go to battery protection. And most likely you have the battery protection set to maximum, which limits the battery to 80%, or 85, 90, or 95. It actually depends how it is set up in here. But if you have basic battery protection and you still have the battery stuck at 80%, then it might be due to the adaptive protection, which can also stop charging at 80% technically while you are asleep. But of course, there's always a chance that something might go wrong and it might be stuck even before you go to sleep, of course. So this can be the reason why the battery can be stuck at 80%. So you might want to turn it off. Of course, it is still recommended to use any form of battery protection, even if it's just a basic one. But if you don't want to, you can just completely turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.